today I'm playing Sniper Shot! I might die a few times, so don't mind if I crash out, alright? I'm not that good at this game. Damn it. Okay, keep going. Not the first time it's... Damn it. Oopsies, you died. Damn it! Where are these people coming from? Damn. I can post this on... Ways to go. Bruh! I can't kill anyone like this. And such is life. I killed her. Easy, alright. I'm not trying to be rude or toxic. I just I'm better at using knife. So it's kind of easy playing. I'm doing really well. I'm doing good. Where'd you go? I'm blind. Alright, I mean this video might be a teensy bit longer and it might be really boring for some people. So, or I'm just gonna be talking about problems or in these type of videos. Now this is just for fun. Damn it. How are these people getting me? In 2 minutes I might crash out because the amount of time I died. I have to look behind me every time because Alright, so I mean, this is a one-shot game, so you can kill anyone in here without any consequence. Quick shot. I like this one. It's not my favorite game, but it's also not my least favorite, so... You can also target people from a far distance. It's if how lucky you are. This game is all precise on luck. This might be a little long, yeah. I'm gonna have to stop the video not too long from here. Damn it! I don't know how people I'm lagging. Now sometimes I do lag. Damn it! I'm doing so bad on here. It takes a little work. It takes like a lot of work for me to do this, and I'm not really sure. I don't know if you don't want me to stop talking. I just want a lot of views, okay? Damn. W, whoever the fuck that is. Oopsie. Didn't mean to say a curse word. Sorry. My dad makes I don't know. Now the things I don't know how people get skins for their knives. Or like, hold on, Jama. That was cringe. No, not hit. What the fuck? I keep saying curse words. I'm so sorry, YouTube monetize me. I'm trying to be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop the video here. Bye, guys.